Hey guys, today I have like a kind of challenge type video. I'm going to see how much schoolwork I can get done in the span of around like an hour and a half. I have my schoolwork pulled up right now and right here, which I think I'm just gonna try and get to like this one or this one. I have 1 out of 15 lessons done and then I'll restart next Monday. So we'll just see how much of this I can like, get done. Let's see, we're gonna go, I think I'm gonna do personal finance and health and nutrition. Just try and finish as much as these two as I can. Work on health and nutrition first, but I'll have an update in like, I don't know, once I get the first one done. It is 12:34 right now. The end time that I'm going to have is at 2 o'clock. But this video should be posted tonight. Well, that doesn't matter that I'm telling you that. I don't know why I said that. But, I'm gonna try and get a lot of this done. So, yeah, I'll be back. Okay, I got one thing finished so far. No, hold on. I got 2 tests finished. I am at, wait, actually, I'll show it. Alright, so I finished 2 of these. I finished nutrition and energy balance, mental and emotional health, and I'm at 3 of 15 lessons. I could probably do more. It's 1:44 right now, but I am about to go to work pretty soon, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start getting ready. So yeah, I'll probably make some videos like this again pretty soon. I had a lot of fun making this one. Thank you for watching and have a good day.